Hello everyone, this is an unboxing and overview of this car, the Lamborghini Miura, and let's just cut right into it. I found this car with a bunch of other relatively sought after cars at a convenience store. It seems that they have just restocked at the time that I was there, and honestly in Malaysia it's just super hard to find cars like this offline rather than through a reseller, and it honestly looked very beautiful, so yeah, it's kind of why I got it. Ooh, be careful not to cut my own fingers here. Alright, release from its plastic prison here. Alright, there we go. The construction of this car is metal on plastic. The base is plastic, and let's just have a look. There are some decals on the sides. Can't quite read it. I can't read it, it's just way too small. And right, some headlight details and the grill vents. It is paint or a tampo. Side here has the same illegible tampo. Can you read that? I can't. Alright, and the back here, it's one of the few rare main lines that gets head and taillight tampos with a license plate. So yeah, the bottom here you can see the codes, the manufacturing dates, and oddly enough a Track Aces logo there. So I guess Mattel designed this to be ran on a track, but knowing how people are with rather rare real cars, they probably won't play it on track. Oh, I do see some paint defects here. Let me see. Yeah, it looks to be a paint defect. I'm scared of scratching it off, so I won't do anything anymore, but the color is, from my side anyway, it looks a lot more dull in real life compared to what the camera is showing. It's more of a, I don't know how you say it, like light maroon. Let's give it a little roll here. I mean, being a Track Aces car, it does roll well. Oh, something that I like to do, these just weigh it to give it a sense of, give you guys a sense of like how heavy it is and how it should feel. There we go. Whoop. It is exactly 30 grams. Kind of light, honestly. Right. Yeah. Just, wow. The color scheme on this particular one looks really good compared to the previous iteration that I've seen on Hot Wheels Wiki. Gold on red, that's a combo right there. Oh, right, you can see gold on red looks really beautiful. Yeah. I guess that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.